Motorhomes aren't just cramped boxes anymore. These double-floor beasts are pure luxury on wheels. Packed with futuristic designs and jaw-dropping comfort, they feel like rolling mansions. Starting with the Mercedes-Benz double-floor marvel. This motorhome is one of the most extravagant creations on the road. With a $9 million price tag, it redefines what travel luxury looks like. Its futuristic design includes a 60-foot aerodynamic body, solar wings that fold out like airplane panels, and fingerprint entry for top-tier security. Just stepping inside feels like entering a luxury mansion rather than a vehicle. Italian marble flooring greets you at the entrance, while crystal ambient lighting sets the tone for an elegant and modern space. Unlike typical RVs, this one features a proper staircase leading to the upper floor instead of a simple ladder, reinforcing its palace-like atmosphere and emphasizing its attention to detail. The living area on the first floor is packed with cutting-edge technology. AI-powered systems control climate zones and lighting, ensuring comfort with minimal effort. Posture-adjusting couches face a massive 75-inch OLED screen that rises smoothly from the floor at the push of a button. Surround sound fills the space, turning movie nights into a theater-level experience. Even the walls are futuristic smart glass panels that switch between clear and blackout mode instantly, giving you complete control over privacy while adding a sleek, high-tech aesthetic. The kitchen rivals those of luxury apartments, fitted with imported German appliances, dual wine fridges for collectors, an induction cooktop, and a robotic arm dishwasher manage cleaning duties effortlessly. Cooking in this motorhome is not just convenient, it's enjoyable and futuristic, bringing 5-star functionality to life on the road. Every element has been carefully designed to make culinary experiences as seamless and stylish as possible. The master bedroom is a sanctuary of calm. A king-sized bed combines memory foam with massage features and temperature control for maximum comfort. Overhead, the ceiling transforms into a starlight display, allowing you to fall asleep under a simulated sky no matter where you're parked. Panoramic windows offer a 360-degree view, making mornings breathtaking. The upper level continues the magic with a glass-walled rooftop lounge, complete with a minibar, cinematic projector, retractable jacuzzi, and even a private office powered by ultra-fast satellite internet. Every corner of this space has been designed for relaxation, productivity, and indulgence. Number 2, the Kenworth W900. The Kenworth W900 is a symbol of American trucking heritage, but this version transforms the rugged semi-truck into a rolling luxury fortress. Valued at nearly $10 million, it merges raw power with a level of indulgence that feels almost unreal. Its bold exterior features a satin black finish with golden lighting accents, making it impossible to ignore on any road. Built with an extended armored chassis, solar panels, and satellite systems, this RV is designed for both rugged adventures and refined living, offering unmatched versatility. One of its standout features is the retractable rooftop jacuzzi, surrounded by finely crafted teak decking. When deployed, panoramic glass walls protect you from the wind while letting you enjoy uninterrupted views of your surroundings. Inside, marble floors and leather-upholstered walls create a seamless blend of elegance and comfort. The kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with a smart oven, induction cooktop, and a voice-controlled espresso machine. You can prepare gourmet meals without ever compromising on convenience or style. The living room is built for entertainment and ultimate relaxation. Recliners with massage functions face a drop-down cinema screen, delivering an IMAX-level experience right inside the vehicle. Accessibility is effortless, thanks to a hydraulic glass elevator that whisks you to the upper level. There, the master bedroom welcomes you with a rotating king-sized bed designed to align perfectly with the sunrise. The marble bathroom features a rainfall shower and retractable glass walls, making it feel more like a private spa than a conventional motorhome. But the luxury doesn't stop there. Hidden underneath the RV is a hydraulic lift that stores a custom-designed electric supercar, styled to perfectly match the motorhome itself. It charges directly from the solar-powered system and rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. With this addition, the Kenworth W900 transcends the idea of a simple motorhome. It becomes a moving fortress that blends luxury, cutting-edge technology, and raw power all in one extraordinary package. Every detail, from design to performance, has been crafted to deliver an experience that is as exhilarating as it is opulent. Number 3, the Kenworth T20A. If the W900 embodies ruggedness, the Kenworth T20A showcases futuristic design. Valued at more than $8.5 million, it looks like something that rolled out of a sci-fi movie. Its body is covered in liquid titanium paint that changes colors in sunlight, almost like a living surface. Reinforced carbon panels provide both strength and lightness, while adaptive lighting systems allow you to switch between bold city lights and stealth mode for remote travel. Fold-out panels reveal outdoor kitchens and lounges, making it perfect for long expeditions or glamorous events in the wilderness. Inside, every corner is filled with innovation. Biometric entry systems ensure that only authorized users gain access, adding a layer of security. The interior is wrapped in suede and copper finishes, creating a balance between warmth and modern sophistication. Kitchens are voice-activated, with preset recipes that guide you step by step, almost like having a digital chef on board. Cabinets open silently at a touch, while fireplaces appear to float against the wall, giving the space an elegant, futuristic feel. The living room includes massaging recliners and a massive 100-inch projector screen for maximum entertainment. A heated floor system adds comfort during cold journeys, while a sweeping staircase and an elevator connect the lower and upper decks with ease. The master bedroom upstairs features panoramic glass walls and a bed that rotates to face the morning sun, offering breathtaking views no matter where you park. Just outside the bedroom is a sky lounge with a digital aquarium wall, adding a serene and calming vibe to the high-tech surroundings. A retractable jacuzzi deck that lets you relax under the stars after a long day of travel, while smart climate systems keep the environment perfect year-round. Beneath it all, a hydraulic garage stores a hypercar capable of hitting 230 miles per hour, complete with advanced self-parking systems and maintenance tools. Solar power and energy-efficient systems ensure everything runs smoothly, making this motorhome an unmatched choice for both billionaires and true adventurers. Number 4. The ultra-luxury Lexus double-story motorhome. The Lexus double-story motorhome blends Japanese precision with luxurious design. Valued at over $8.5 million, it looks like a spaceship from the outside. With smooth glass finishes and gentle ambient lighting, its aerodynamic body doesn't just impress visually, it's engineered for stability and efficiency on long journeys. Inside, it feels like stepping into the future. Smart glass walls change from clear to opaque with voice commands, and the volcanic composite heated flooring ensures comfort underfoot. The living area doubles as a home theater with a hidden 90-inch screen that rises gracefully from the floor, creating an immersive cinematic experience. The kitchen is one of its most advanced features. It has a rotating smart unit that transforms between induction, grill, and bar modes. AI-assisted cooking ensures perfect meals every time, while retractable herb gardens keep ingredients fresh and within reach. There's even a robotic serving arm that presents dishes elegantly, turning dining into a performance. A spiral elevator leads to the second floor, which features a panoramic glass roof lounge with heated floors. Zero-gravity reclining chairs allow complete relaxation, while holographic displays provide a futuristic workspace for remote professionals, blending productivity with leisure in a seamless way. The spa wet room adds another layer of indulgence. Rainfall showers, steam, and aromatherapy functions make it as luxurious as any high-end wellness center. The master bedroom has transformable walls, a rotating bed, and hidden compartments, including a mini fridge. For adventure lovers, a built-in drone bay launches aerial drones that can scout areas or film your travels from above in stunning 8K resolution. The motorhome is powered by a hybrid hydrogen-electric system with regenerative solar panels, giving it the ability to run off-grid for up to 30 days. An outdoor entertainment deck with a fire pit, modular seating, and a full kitchen and bar completes the experience, making it ideal for both relaxation and social gatherings under the stars. Number 5. The Apex Voyager XLR. The Apex Voyager XLR feels like a vehicle from the future. With a price tag exceeding $9 million, it merges design, technology, and comfort like no other. Its glowing marble floors heat up as you walk, while walls respond to voice commands, instantly shifting lighting to match your mood. A massive 85-inch retractable OLED screen dominates the living space, while a hidden elevator whisks you upstairs to a rooftop lounge equipped with heated floors, a bar, and a bubbling jacuzzi under the stars. This motorhome isn't just about luxury, it's about versatility. It features its own drone landing pad for aerial deliveries or scenic flights, along with a hidden garage that stores a compact electric car for quick city trips. The hybrid twin motor powertrain blends silent electric driving for urban streets with powerful diesel torque for long-distance adventures. Noise cancellation ensures the cabin stays whisper quiet, even at high speeds. Insight into the future of smart living unfolds seamlessly. The AI-driven kitchen handles everything from cooking gourmet meals to cleaning up afterward, while voice recognition systems can personalize recipes, beverages, and even coffee strength. The bedroom adds another layer of innovation with gesture-controlled lighting, climate regulation, and biometric sensors that continuously monitor your heart rate, adjusting the ambiance to promote deep rest or renewed energy. Security is equally advanced. Windows can turn opaque instantly for privacy, while facial recognition ensures only approved individuals can enter. Panic mode activates a lockdown system during emergencies, providing peace of mind wherever you park. With features like these, the Apex Voyager XLR is more than just a motorhome. It's a futuristic haven designed for dreamers, innovators, and those who demand nothing but the absolute best on the road. These 5 double-floor motorhomes showcase what happens when imagination meets cutting-edge technology. From rotating beds and retractable jacuzzis to AI-powered kitchens and hidden hypercars, they redefine how we think about travel. They aren't just vehicles, they're moving mansions and fortresses that bring luxury, safety, and adventure wherever the road goes. Thanks for watching till the end. Which of these motorhomes do you prefer? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more updates. Bye for now.